Hi, I'm Steve-O and this is my wife Jen. Today is our 9th wedding anniversary. To celebrate, we're going to go on a walking tour of the city of Oxford and the university and have some proper English pub food. But first, breakfast.
Good morning. It's our 9th wedding anniversary. I'm just making Steve-O some breakfast. I'm making egg tacos and a smoothie and some coffee for him and tea for me, and we'll sit outside in the garden. It's gonna be a really lovely morning, so I'm gonna go wake him up right now actually and let him know breakfast is ready. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Maybe very ambitiously, I put on a tank top today, given the state of the weather. Also, Steve and I talk about the weather now so much more than we ever have historically in our lives. I think we're adopting that very British habit. Mwah!
Happy anniversary, baby.
Thank you.
9 years.
It's amazing. Can't believe it. Today we are going to go on an adventure, but I made you breakfast.
Thank you, baby.
Steve-O's doing the dishes. I love being married to you.
I love being married to you. If you're cooking brekkie, it was delicioso no.
Thanks for cleaning up. Hi, I'm Jen
And I'm Steve-O.
from Toucan Travel.
And so can you.
Today we're here in Oxford, UK.
We're here on our 9th wedding anniversary.
Yeah!
Yeah.
9 years. Crazy to believe. We've been all over the world together.
Today we're going to go on a walking tour of the city because we don't know nothing about this city. We got here a little bit early this morning, so we got about 45 minutes. We're going to go check out this city on our own, and then we're going to go on this tour and learn what we were looking at.
We had a bit of time before our tour, so we popped inside the Oxford Covered Market. This place is amazing. It's been here since 1770, and there's so much to look at and so many places to eat, places to shop. You can buy flowers, artwork. There are lots of gifts if you need to come here and get something for somebody. Or if you just need to do your shopping, you could also come here and buy your groceries, buy some pies. You can go to the butcher's, you can buy some fresh vegetables. There's just so many things in here, and it's a really great place to come and walk around. It also seems to have an Alice in Wonderland theme because there's Alice in Wonderland lanterns hanging all throughout. So we've spotted a bunch of things like the rabbit and Alice falling down. It's really, really fun in here. We definitely recommend coming to check it out.
Having successfully conquered the covered market, we are now on our way to join the walking tour.
We're looking out for people wearing green jackets. We signed up for this walking tour through a company called Footprints. They hold free walking tours, I think, all over Europe. Just from walking around ourselves for the past 45 minutes, we can see the city is gorgeous, but I can't wait to learn more about what it is that we're looking at. Oh, green jackets. I think this might be it. Alright, we found the tour. There are two groups, so one is the paid tour people and one is the free tour people. We're with the free tour people, so we've been asked to wait over here, but that's fine. It's going to be really fun. I think our group will be a lot bigger than the paid tour. That's okay, we'll make some friends, and I'm just so excited to see the city. Anastasia was the name of our guide, and she was so excellent. She knew so much and was so enthusiastic about everything.
We saw many of the best sites, just learned a lot about history and how old this place is.
There's seriously so much to cover, and I feel like we only covered a tiny fraction of everything that's here. There's just so much detail in all the little details.
The details have details.
She told us a lot of inside information because she's a student at Oxford University. There's 39 colleges at Oxford. We don't fully understand how the UK system works compared to the US university system.
All I really understood is I would barely graduate here too.
If you do come to Oxford, I would highly recommend the tours with Footprints. They're really well done. As you can see, it's very busy here, so tourism is back in full swing. And
There were probably 4 or 5 tours starting at the same point as we did, all with the same company.
like we said, ours was the free tour, and you give a donation at the end.
The guides are students, so they're very animated because they're young and have something to live for. What an educational way to get your steps in.
Now we're going to go grab some lunch at a place called the Turf Tavern. It is where Bill Clinton famously didn't inhale. We're both really hungry, so
Yeah, so we're going to go to the Turf Tavern and inhale.
can't be much of a secret if it says it on the sign.
room temperature.
What a yummy meal.
Yum yum. Give me some pie.
British pub food is really enjoyable.
It's really bad for you,
Oh yeah, it's not healthy.
but it does taste good, and it makes warm beer better.
What's the deal with warm beer? If you're British, let us know. That's the bridge of sighs. Are you silly? So we're just walking around after lunch. On our tour, the tour guide told us about this place
Called Magdalen College.
And at Magdalen College, there's a deer park where C.S. Lewis used to like to go and pet the deer and gave him a lot of inspiration for Narnia. So we're gonna head there now.
We're going to Narnia.
Ah, here are the punts. So what is a punt, you might ask? Good question. From our Googling, we have learned that, as you can see this person doing, you push off the bottom of the river in order to make the boat go. And that is a punt. It looks like you can hire a boat to punt yourself. I don't think we'll be doing that. I don't trust us enough to do that. So where's this deer park?
We can't find the deer park.
We have asked so many people, or I should say I've asked so many people where it is, and nobody knows what I'm talking about. Either the tour guide was messing with us, or the people I've been asking just aren't from here or something.
Or it's like Narnia,
In what way?
and that is not real.
We're actually gonna start heading toward our next stop, which is Gloucester Green. On Mondays and Thursdays, they have an outdoor market there. That sounds really nice. The food looks good. We're thinking we'll grab some food for dinner tonight there as well. So,
More pie.
yeah, probably more pies. Oh, British meat pies are so nice. Found it. Nice. All right, so every Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday. So we got very lucky here. It's a Thursday. Cute stuff. Only £1. It's not my size though, but it's very cute.
Dongbei's yeah.
Did you see that? Huh?
It says Dongbei on it.
Dongbei.
Right there, Dongbei.
Oh, Dongbei.
The food here looks so good.
I wish I was hungry. We'll have to come back here another time because, wow, there's such a selection of food from all around the world, especially Asian food.
They have dumplings from the northeast of China.
That's where we used to live. There's also Goan food, and we love Goa, and the food there is so nice. It looks like the food here is more like you would just get it and eat it right away, not really for takeaway. I mean, you could, but we don't think that'd be very nice. This has been such a lovely day in Oxford. Can't wait to come back. This was just a taste of the city, and we saw a lot and did a lot today, but there's so much more to cover. We've had such a fun day in Oxford. This is a beautiful city with so much to explore, and I feel that we've only scratched the surface, so we'll have to come back.
Everybody in line outside of the Sainsbury says you should like and subscribe, so listen to those folks. They know what's going on.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had fun here in Oxford with us today, and we'll see you in the next video. You bloop it.